Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to find and delete hidden apps on Android phone. Sometimes we download apps from our Play Store and the app doesn't appear in our app library or anywhere because the apps is a hidden app. Now I'll show you how you can find all of your hidden apps and delete them. Go to your Android phone settings and scroll down, tap on apps. And here you will find all of your hidden apps you installed or downloaded on your Android phone. Now all you have to need, search for the hidden app that you want to delete and open the app. And okay, I'm searching for another app. Okay, now all you have to need, from here you will be able to easily delete or uninstall a hidden app. You can follow these same steps to find more hidden apps to delete them. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.